If you own a social media marketing agency and you're struggling to get clients or you're struggling to scale your business, make sure you watch this video. It's gonna be going over the top 5 niches that I would be going for right now and getting clients in to make sure that you have automated results and you literally have proven concepts that you have a high retention rate with. Because there's a lot of business owners right now who are wanting to run ads. They've starting e-com stores. Maybe they're starting to do a webinar. They want lead gen. They want leads, whatever the case may be. I'm going to give you the top niches right now that I've seen that will churn you the most cash flow, have the highest retention, less headaches, and allow you to hit that 50K mark and 100K a month mark with predictability. So stick around in this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's get right into today's video. All right, so the number one niche that I would be going for right now are real estate wholesalers, people who are buying distressed homes for cash, because the lead cost is pretty decent with Facebook lead forms. And the strategy that I do is I run Facebook lead forms to the confirmation page. The confirmation page then takes them to Calendly where they could book a call. Also, we have Zapier automations that take that lead from Facebook lead ads and sends it to their CRM, because most people who are doing like buying houses in cash, distressed homes in cash and fixing and flipping, they have a CRM. They have an actual proven concept and an actual business, and they have access to a lot of credit, obviously. So that is the first niche. Second niche is going to be credit repair. There are a ton of consultants who are doing very well in credit repair right now. In our agency, we have about 30 plus clients who are running credit repair ads. We're running Instagram DM ads straight to their DM with a proven sales script. We're also running ads to a go high level funnel where they can then do booked calls. And the third one that we're doing is we're actually running promote posts off the Instagram page with flyers that have the price on them. So we have 3 different traffic sources that we're doing for credit repair. The best offers that I'm seeing right in the credit repair niche are, getting their credit fixed within 24 hours, which could be with Experian. And then we have getting your credit fixed within 30 days. And then we're using that business owner's business name as a unique mechanism. So for example, we have a client who is American Credit Group. So we're basically calling it like the USA Credit Booster. And that's like our unique mechanism on how we're fixing their credit within 24 hours by just tapping into Experian's secret backend. And it's like a really good angle that we're using right now. So credit repair is definitely good. Also, you have your own credit special ad category. And also with the wholesalers, the cash buyers, they have their own real estate ad category. Credit has the credit ad category. So it's very hard to get those ads denied when you use those ad categories. So it helps you scale, beat compliance, and obviously have a predictable niche that's going to be very hard for you to get your ad account banned. Now, the third niche is going to be e-com. The best stores right now that I'm seeing in e-com are hair oil, skincare, sporting goods, women's apparel, a women's boutique. Those are the top 5 niches right now that I'm seeing as far as e-com stores. Number 4 is going to be high ticket business owners who are running a webinar funnel. And I'm going to tell you why. Because when you make a webinar funnel, you have that first opt-in page, then the webinar, then a booked call. Okay. What we're doing is we're basically getting their name, email, and phone number on that first opt-in page, because what can we do? We can have the business owner hire an appointment setter and they can just be calling these people all day. And the cost per opt-in is anywhere between $3 and $15. So the cost per lead's a lot lower, and you have a chance to appointment set that lead, even if they don't watch the whole webinar or book a call. So you're growing your email list, you're getting more people in the ecosystem. And then if they do go to the webinar, you can then retarget people who are a lead inside Facebook or TikTok or Snapchat or Google, whatever you're targeting. That's a very lucrative niche right now. And then the number 5 niche is going to be business funding, because business funding, if you can guarantee business funding, or you have clients who do business funding and they can get you like 0% interest, and they can get you 50K in business funding, 150K in business funding. Business owners are craving that right now, because honestly, the pandemic messed a lot of business owners up. They want free cash. And that's like a really good offer right now. I'm getting really good cost per message, cost per lead right now with business funding. And I'm going to add a bonus niche in here right now. And that bonus niche is going to be hyperpigmentation, body sculpting, microblading, like teaching ladies or other business owners a very high ticket 6-figure skill. I'm getting anywhere from 50 cents to $1.50 a cent clicks going to a booked call. And those book call costs are $10 to $25. So I'm filling up calendars, and it's because it's BizOppy, but it's compliant. So getting clients like that, where you're simply saying like, hey, learn this 6-figure skill set from the comfort of your own home, and you could start getting clients within 30 days. Like, it's a very good offer. So those are my top 5 plus the bonus niches right now for SMMA. If you have questions down below about current clients that you're trying to scale and you're having trouble with, please comment any questions you have down below. Make sure you like today's video, comment, like I said, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for stopping by, and peace.